A breakthrough new system lets you clone. A done-for-you high-ticket business that makes over $1,000 per day. What is the high-ticket profit system? The high-ticket profit system is your opportunity to work with a seven-figure internet marketing super affiliate who has created an entirely new method and system that makes $500 to $1,000 commissions every day. What's more, you don't need to have experience in affiliate marketing or any online marketing to succeed. The high-ticket profit system will take care of it for you. Get access to the system created by a millionaire that's made over $1 million online. He's established a system that does all the work for you. Once you purchase the license, all you do is plug in your information and he'll help you succeed. His team makes $1,000 plus commissions with each automated sale straight to their accounts. You only need one thing to have this kind of lifestyle and security: a license to use the same system that he uses. The advantage of this license is that you're going to be earning 100% commissions on a high-ticket system that makes millions of dollars online. Until now, there was only one path to making money online and earning high-ticket, $1,000 commissions. His new way of doing things generates thousands of dollars in commissions per day for me, because it's automated, fast, and 100% done for you. And you can have the same success. It's never been easier to build a substantial online business. Ever. You don't need to make a product. You don't do any marketing. You don't do any advertising. You won't handle customers, shipping, or fulfillment. You don't do any selling. The system generates sales automatically, and we're earning $1,000, $2,000, and $3,000 commissions even when we're sleeping. It's all done for you in one tidy system. He'll provide everything upfront and show you how he made over $1 million in this business and how simple it is once you plug in. He won't hold anything back. You'll see exactly what to do, how it works, and why it works. All that is asked from you is a tiny, one-time investment. Check out the additional bonuses on this page and click the link below to claim yours now.